Come on. Come on, I need you to do this.
Yeah, this is the definition of fine.
Squirrel attacks snowman.
Detour from Houston to Georgia, and I'm playing that.
Oh, there goes his head.
Oh, he smelt the seeds.
Okay? Shitstorm behind door A, or storm of shit behind door B. If you're lucky,
He did that for the sunflower seeds?
but sooner or later you get cornered. You wind up staying and you wind up killing.
Here, you should throw some up for him.
We don't go back.
They're gonna run because Cleo's there, right? He's
He's
attacking the snowman.
No.
We already hit a full stop because of an air filter compromised by innards. It will happen again.
And we'll hit him with the hose.
You sent pizza. Give me some more.
We still hit them, they still slow us down, and then they stop us.